Zakariya. Welcome to Zakariya's world. Let's play, sing, and learn together. Let's learn farm animals: cow, pig, sheep, goat, rooster, hen, chick, horse, donkey, duck, turkey, dog, cat. Thank you for watching. See you next time.